Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make chicken and avocado salad sandwich. So this is all the ingredients. I have 2 avocados and 2 cups of shredded chicken and 2 cups of spinach, and I have multigrain here, sliced bread, and ketchup and mayo, salt and sugar. Okay, let's mix it up and then let's get started. Alright, what we're gonna do, we put all together the sugar and the salt, and I want also the mayo there. It's time to diet for us. That's why I'm making this. Is that already 1/3 cup? And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And you can adjust your salt if you want more salt, and also if it's just still sour, you can add also more sugar, little by little. It might be really sweet. It's good. I don't need anything in there anymore. Okay, let's put this on the side and we'll toast the bread, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, you have 2 options to toast your bread. Either you heat up the pan, put a little butter on it, and dip the sliced bread on it for just like 1 minute to 2 minutes. It depends how dark you want, or you can just toast it. So I'm gonna need 6 slices because there are only 3 of us eating for this. This is only 3 servings, so you can just double measurement if you have more people eating. Okay, we just sliced avocado. So now we need to put them together. Alright, so this is my toast bread. Just have to even it. You put the leaves on top. You can also do only avocado if you want. I want leaves. I love leaves. And then put the avocado on top. Arrange the avocado on top. The avocado is running. Just slide it to the leaves. There you go. Now just like that. Alright guys, here is my chicken avocado salad sandwich. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and you can also share my videos to your friends and your family. Alright, thank you to all my family and friends who are really supporting me, especially my partner. And shout out to all my my former co-workers. I just spoke one of the best with my co-worker Eric. Thank you for watching my video and sharing my video. You're the best. Okay, see you next time, and God bless. Love you all. Take care.